Peace and love, African family. Peace, love, and sunlight. This is Ankeru from Jam Tours Africa family. Today, Miss Jam Tours is gonna go do our hair. We're gonna do braid.
Ghanaian lines.
Ghanaians. Yeah, family. If you're in Kenya, you need somewhere to do your braids for cheap. How much is it? Cheap and clean.
I'm sure I would finish. Well,
how much you paid the last time?
Was it 2,000?
2,000. That's like $15.
But it was inclusive of everything: wash, blow dry, braids, service.
Yeah, family. So if you come to Kenya as a tourist and you want to go, and where you find this place? It's a place called
Fig Tree Stalls.
Fig Tree Stalls.
Yeah.
And it's where?
In Ngara.
Ngara family. So if you come with your kids and you need to get some African braids, that's the place to go. Fig Tree in Ngara. And how you find it?
How I find it?
Or where you, like, or where you find it, like the location, or like you want to
just
direct
on the
somebody
road,
out
imagine.
just on the road.
Yeah, when you're coming from town, from Globe roundabout, Fig Tree is on your left. You'll just see it. It's very big, like written in a big wording.
Okay,
Pink
okay.
in color. Is it pink? Yeah, hot pink.
Yeah, sweetie. So can you like take your phone and do like a small video so we can see the surrounding and how it's set up? So do that for me, right? So Miss Jam Tours gonna try a small vlog. So I can show you guys that if you come to Kenya, you need to get your braids done for cheap and clean.
Yeah.
Yeah, in Jamaica we say cheap and clean.
By the way, it's very affordable. You know, sometimes this is what I know. Sometime back when I was still working, I used to think like you need to go in these fancy salons that have been. I once tried and I regretted everything because you pay like 4,000 and the service is not as neat. So maybe they're charging like that because it's it's pretty, all pretty. But here you just go and sit down on a plastic chair.
Yeah. And
the ladies do work on you very quick, and by the time you're getting home, somebody asks you, they expect you to mention a big name. From a stall.
Yeah, and just like, when you go for an interview, the man who have the master's degree and the man who have him high school, most of the time the man for the high school is a better person, it's a better person to actually solve problems and stuff, but they want to go for the man who have the masters, and when the man from the masters only know bookwork, he don't know the technicality. So that's maybe the same thing with these professional place. You know what I mean? They have these people who have maybe
pretty.
But these people actually learn it from coming up from them a small baby. They've been doing it in the community, so they know how to do it.
Like that lady who plains, that the other time I didn't even expect her to plaint me. Like you can't expect her to produce such neat work.
Such a neat work. Yeah. Yeah, family. So
like whatever I'll do, I might spend 1,000 shillings. If I'm not wrong, I might.
Wow. Well, you'll put it in the vlog and let us know.
Yeah.
So you ready to go?
Yes, I'm ready.
You ready to drive?
So
I've been training Miss Jam Tours to hold the steering wheel, family. Like every time we go out together, I want her to hold the steering wheel until we reach the gate. Or
let me come on the Nanya.
Yeah, you want to drive?
Yeah.
So she hold the steering wheel yesterday, and now she want to drive. So I'm gonna let you drive, family. I'm gonna let you drive.
But will you help me, not you?
Yeah, I'm gonna help you out.
So you're going to help me to hold the steering.
Alright, family, so let's go. Yeah, so Miss Jam Tours is in the driving seat, family.
Let me adjust because
yeah, they even know to adjust. They even know to adjust. Alright.
I need to put on a safety belt, but I'm not reaching to the road.
Yeah,
we are at the gate.
Okay, put on the safety belt. Tell us exactly what you do.
Yes, this is what you do. So don't tell me first, okay?
Okay.
This is what you do. Let's see if I know how to drive. And then I press on the brakes so hard inside. Then I remove handbrake. Now this is the part that scares me. I don't know why this thing is normally hard.
Pull it up first, up and down.
Good. And then
up and down.
See, I'm already sweating and panting. Yeah. And then I lock the door. And then, so my leg is still on the brakes. So let me ask now, should I reverse? Or I...
You have enough space to go around that.
So I put the...
Car in what?
This is called?
This is called a gear stick.
Yeah, that one.
Or a gear shift or whatever. So which where the car in now?
Drive.
Okay.
Drive mode.
Yeah.
When it's when I reach there, I'll put it on parking. When I want to reverse, I'll put on I don't know, neutral is where.
Yeah, neutral is just to keep the car in a neutral mode.
Yes. So
what to do? Yeah, let's go.
So I release I can see my fuel the tank is full. So I release slowly.
Yeah.
So I step on a little fuel.
Yeah.
Why are you not moving your car?
They're still on the brakes.
No, but I want to go on a slow mode.
Yeah, it's like on the brakes. It's not like yours says anywhere for the car to run.
You see, I'm much better when I'm on the wheel.
Oh,
This
really?
thing is preventing
But
me.
first thing you have to learn to steer first.
Well, that's true, but I guess I'm doing it much better when I'm not on that side. Okay, I'm stepping gas like I'm not stepping.
Yeah, fam, so Miss Jam Tours is not her first time driving like this. But I'll maybe make you do it more often.
Yeah.
So she can catch her practice. So when she got to driving school, she's a pro.
You see how I took that bumps good? If it were you. Oh. I hope I don't hit these soldiers. Yeah, maybe a little bit. And I hope there's no car coming there. Bosi, I'm greeting soldier. Pole, si wewe nahutia.
Alright, corner now. Corner.
Huh?
Round the corner, round the bend.
I press gas.
Yes, sweetie. Lock it up. Yeah. Gas. Take it out.
Go. Oh, I keep going.
Yeah, go on a little.
Oh.
Yeah, hold it
I was
straight.
wondering how is this done? But I hope I won't arrive and I'm sweating. There's a bump, no? Me, I'll put
Yeah,
brakes
so
for
somebody
this.
like you, they're learners.
See, they have learner. Me, I'll put my own too.
You put learner.
Yeah. So that when you hit me, whoever will hit me, and they'll be held responsible.
Round the corner now, round the bend.
Oh, I took that corner code.
Yeah.
I hate this guy. Let me go on the
What happened?
I felt like I'm flying.
You don't need to use no gas to succeed. Put your foot on the brake. Yeah, family, so far Miss Jam Tours is doing good.
I didn't have to do much to
She just need to maybe a few more things like this to be good at it.
You see how I'm taking bumps good. Hey?
Yeah, taking
That's my husband. I'll be all juki. Boom boom. I'm not stepping fast. Is that okay?
Yes, it is already, no
My
gas.
foot is on the brakes.
So
There's a car behind me now.
They will pass. They will pass you. This is where you stop for. Yeah.
Then we to compete with this TX.
Yeah, family, so let me know how Miss Jam Tours is doing in the comment box. Let us know. I'm just gonna make sure you drive all the way to the front. All the way to the front. You're pressing gas.
Sorry, I'm a driver.
You stop.
But I'm stepping a little. Please pass me. Yes, thank you.
Alright, take the corner now. Take the corner.
From there.
Yeah.
But I've noticed I don't have to like turn the wheel so hard. The steering, not you?
Yeah. When you're taking the corner, right?
Yeah. Today I've actually not sweat.
You're not sweating. Yeah, family, Miss Jam Tours seems to be doing very good. Maybe like another 5 times you'll be good, sweetie.
Yeah.
You're supposed to can drive good at the front.
Just that I'm stepping the brakes so hard. I guess females make good drivers.
What?
Females. They make good drivers.
They make
Like-
good accident.
No,
Was that
accidents
that?
are rarely the female. People me like I won't be able to enter that gate.
I mean, you will enter the gate, sweetie. Come on now. Before anything happens, you have to drive outside. Hmm?
I'm entering which gate? The one on my right.
Well, then you want to open for you, that's the one you go. Let me see which one I'm going to open for you.
Okay. Now how do I cross there?
This is the one that open for you.
Go that way. Oh, but step the brakes.
Yeah,
Okay.
yeah. There's brakes, yeah, brakes.
I can't do it.
Yeah, turn. Yeah. Morning, morning.
Oh, thank you, Lord.
Just Miss Jam Tours past the gate.
The gate looks like
Most accomplished.
like I can hit it.
Well, it's the first you're going so far anyway, so
Yeah, not sure.
all the way to the front.
Yeah. I'll reach there, that bounce.
No, sweetie, we're going all the way to the gas
Up to
station.
Total.
Yeah.
Okay. What do you want me to do then?
Just like you're driving it now, sweetie.
I guess when I go to driving school, I hope I won't have a rough time.
Oh, you're going to have a rough time, sweetie, when you have a...
I don't know, I'm
you actually,
thinking-
most people go to driving school and never drive a car yet. But you've been driving, so
yeah,
it's gonna be
at
very
least
easy for
I've
you.
been on the steering.
I do this more often, maybe every day.
Yeah.
Every day when we're stepping out,
Like that one.
I will be actually letting you do this.
I didn't expect to jump that thing.
steering.
I want to check down there.
You don't have a check down to see. Oh, you can you check. You just back gas. That's brakes gas. You don't need to check nothing.
Yeah, it's
You're
just,
supposed to know, but I guess when you get used to it, you'll know.
yeah.
Like it's just the instinct. There's a bump there.
I didn't see it. Thank God I wasn't on speed.
Oh, so they're doing very good, man. Very good. Miss Jamtor is doing very good. You will put in all gas. Yes, yes, yes.
Just that I'm staggering on my left, right.
See, there's a bump there.
Yeah, I can
So you really put in fuel and gas.
I didn't expect to come out this way.
Hey.
Yeah.
We're going right there in front there. See the stop. Oh wow. Okay. Alright, good job, Mr. Jam Tours. What to do next? What to do next?
Oh, you step in there, you put,
No.
you remove handbrake,
Yeah.
push it there, and then you put back in.
Yeah.
Then I remove my leg there.
Yeah. Yeah, fams, Miss Jam Tour is going to do her here. She's gonna catch a matatu right there.
Yes.
And there's one, that's one coming there, sweetie. You stop, I want me to stop it. I can't get it. Alright, full. Yes, sweetie, there you see it. Run, go on. Yeah? That's the matatu. Yes. Yeah. Remember if I make the video? Yeah. Ooh, matatu. Vincent. Morning. What's up?
What's up, man?
Let me have a nice watermelon. Yeah, family, so I stopped
Full
to.
one?
Yeah, full one. Yeah, family, so I stopped to get a watermelon. This is my fruits guy. I normally get nice watermelon from him.
What else? You have them back?
Hey, let's put it at the seat there for me. Let's put it right there.
What else?
It's good, right?
Yeah.
Fresh.
Yeah, fresh.
Nothing yet.
Anything else?
Nothing yet. I'll come back next in the week.
Okay.
Oh, you sell your cucumber.
Cucumber, that Bob which?
Alright. I think that's it for now. How much for this one?
400.
400.
Yeah.
Alright, Vincent.
Okay, you have that, you know?
Eh? Yeah, you have the till and everything.
Okay.
Yeah. Alright, guys, so I got a nice watermelon here. Let's go. Yeah, family, so I just got home and actually cut this watermelon. And trust me, family, it's the sweetest watermelon I ever taste in my life for a long time. Very sweet and red. Wow. Wow. So refreshing. Yeah, family, so Miss Jam Tours is back with the ear spoil.
Yeah, spoiled. Guys,
It's ear style. It looks very nice. I like how it's fine.
it's pretty.
Yeah.
Look at the back.
Yeah, the back is very nice.
The bun. They're long, but
Yeah.
the essence is not that they're long because you
Yeah.
want to drop them like how girls do it.
Yeah.
It's because of the bun, so that when you make a bun, it looks, you get, it's
Look
folded.
uniform.
Eh.
Yeah, fam, let us know that your comments on this hairstyle, hair spoil from Miss Jam Tours.
Yes,
It was like
yeah.
for 15 US, right?
Yeah, I put
Yeah.
2,100 Kenyan
Yes.
shillings
Yeah.
for everything.
I
But
read.
I had carried my own oil and treatment.
Okay. All right, family. Let us know your thoughts. Like, share, and comment on the video. And if you come to Kenya and want to get some hairstyle like this, where's the place? Fig Tree.
Fig tree stalls
Fig Tree Stalls.
in Gara.
Ngara.
Stall number 1.
Stall number.
Stall number 1.
Yeah, family. So we out. One love. God bless Jamaica.